Welcome back to online lecture of MG Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. Welcome to online lecture of 10th Maths First. Student, in the Maths First, we had started taking revision of all topics one by one. We had already completed revision of topic first, linear equation in two variable, and second topic, quadratic equation. There are two videos of revision of second topic, quadratic equation. I hope you all do the exercise and example of topic first and second. I had told you give reply to me by taking screenshot of your solving question paper. Okay, if you had not solved, then you solve first topic first and topic second, and then you see the topic 3 revision. Here also I take two parts of this topic, two revision videos too, and then you solve topic number 3. So let's start topic number 3, arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, we had learned the different concepts that are how to find TN, how to find SN, and term of the sequence, sum of the first term of the sequence, and application of arithmetic progression, where we can use this arithmetic progression in our daily life. Okay, now we start one by one taking question of each kind. First question, which of the following sequences are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. AP means arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression आहे की कसं ओळखतो आपण? ह्या दिलेला हा सिक्वेन्स आहे, या सिक्वेन्स मधला डिफरन्स between two consecutive terms is constant, then we say that it is the arithmetic progression. Consecutive क्रमानं ह्या दोन क्रमाचे पद आहेत, ही दोन क्रमांक पद आहेत, ही दोन क्रमांक पद आहेत, या दोन क्रमांक पदातला डिफरन्स वजाबाकी सेम यायला पाहिजे. म्हणजे परीक्षेत तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारला, show that it is arithmetic progression, then you first write the terms in that arithmetic progression. First you write terms, t1 is equal to minus 10, t2 is equal to minus 6, t3 is equal to minus 2, and t4 is equal to 2. Write the terms in that sequence, then take difference between two consecutive terms. What that is means t2 minus t1 you find, then t3 minus t2 बघा क्रमांक आहेत काय 1 2, and t4 minus t3. जेवढे टर्म दिले आहेत तेवढे टर्म मधला डिफरन्स कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह टर्म मधला घ्यायचा आहे. ओके, का घ्यायचे? कारण की एखादा डिफरन्स वेगळा आला तर तो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन होणार नाही, म्हणून आपण सगळे डिफरन्स इथे कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे. t2 is minus 6 minus t1 is minus 10, that is minus 6 minus minus plus 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then t3 is minus 2, middle sign minus, and t2 is minus 6. बघा ह्या टॉपिक मध्ये तुम्ही सायन्स कडे व्यवस्थित लक्ष द्यायचं आहे. सायन्स व्यवस्थित दिला तर चुकायचं नाहीये. Here minus 2 as it is, minus minus plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 means 6 minus 2. याचा अर्थ काय होते? 6 minus 2 4. Then t4 is 2, middle sign minus, t3 is minus 2. 2 minus minus plus 2 is equal to 4. So see, observe here difference is same. Here common difference D is constant. तो बदललाय का? नाही, constant आहे. Therefore given sequence, therefore you can write given sequence is an arithmetic progression. या तिन्हीपैकी एक जरी डिफरन्स वेगळा आला, समजा इथं काय आलं 5 आलं, एक जरी डिफरन्स वेगळा आला तर तो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन होणार नाही. ओके, जरी साइन बदलला असेल तर -4 इथं 4 आलं असतं तरी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन होणार नाही. अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कवर्ड अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन आहे की, and find its common difference. आपण d काढायचं and common difference. You write here common difference. D is equal to 4. Common difference किती मिळाला आपल्याला 4 मिळाला. Okay. Similarly, the second example, similarly solved here. Only root is given. So you first write T1 5, T2 5 plus root 3, T3 5 plus 2 root 2, T3 is equal to, and T4 5 plus 3 root 3. Now you find difference, same, T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2. पुढच्यातून नंतर वजा करायचं आहे. इथे T1 minus T2 लिहायचं नाही, T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. What is T2? 5 plus root 3 minus T1 is 5. T3 is 5 plus 2 root 2 minus T2 is 5 plus root 3. Then here 5 plus 3 root 3 minus 5 plus 2 root 2. You calculate here 5 plus root 3 and minus 5. 5 get cancelled, answer is root 3. Here 5 plus 2 root 2 minus 4 sign change करा, minus 5 minus root 3. That is equal to 5 get cancelled. 2 root 3 here. Minus here 1 means root 3. And here 5 plus 3 root 3 minus 5 minus 2 root 2. 3 root 3 minus, sorry, the root 3. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is 1 root 3 means root 3. Observe here root 3, root 3, root 3. Common difference is same. Here common difference D is constant. Therefore, given arithmetic progression, given sequence is an arithmetic progression. And here common difference is what? Common difference is D is equal to root 3. Okay, such type of question asked for 1 mark or 2 mark, or in the MCQ also you ask for some type of question. You had given AP and you find the common difference. Take subtraction carefully. Okay. Question second, find the first term and common difference for each of the AP given. Here we have to find first term means A and common difference means D. We find. Okay. First you write T1. T1 is equal to 5. T2 is equal to 1. T3 is equal to minus 3 and T4 is equal to minus 7. First write all the terms. Now, what is the first term? FIRST. First term is equal to A is equal to T1 is equal to 5. What is the first term? 5. And common difference, it is AP given. So we write directly common difference D is equal to, you can take any difference T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. I take T2 minus T1. Okay. What is T2? 1 minus 5. That is 1 minus 5 means minus 4. So common first term is 5 and common difference is minus 4. Okay. Similarly, second example here, write T1 0.6, T2 0.9, T3 1.2 and T4 1.5. Okay. First term, we find first term. We denote by is equal to T1 is equal to A. What is the first term here? 0.6. And common difference. What is the common difference? Common difference is equal to T is equal to, take any difference T2 minus T1 or you can take T3 minus T2, same. Okay. So D is equal to T2 0.9 minus 0.6. Therefore, D is equal to 9 minus 6, 3. 0.3. Okay, understand? Question number 3, what is given? Write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D given. First term का दिले बघा A दिला आहे आणि common difference D दिला आहे आणि आपल्याला फाइंड काय करायचं आहे? राइट अँड AP म्हटलं आहे. AP लिहायचं आहे. आता काय भेटलं? AP वरनं आपण फर्स्ट टर्म आणि कॉमन डिफरन्स काढला किंवा दिलेला सिक्वेन्स AP आहे का नाही शोधला आपण त्यातला डिफरन्स घेऊन. ओके, आता इथे आपल्याला APच काढायचं आहे म्हणजे अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन तयार करायचं आहे. आपल्याला अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन तयार करताना किमान तुम्ही 4 टर्म्स काढणं गरजेचं आहे. T1, T2, T3 and T4. You find 4 terms. So here A is given. A means we write as T1. T1 is given minus 3. So first term we had calculated here minus 3. How to find T2? T2 next term कसं फाइंड करतोय बघा आपण? T1 मध्ये D ऍड केला तर नेक्स्ट टर्म येते का? म्हणजे T2 कसा काढणार आहे? T1 plus D means what is the value of T1? Minus 3 plus what is the value of D? 0. That is minus 3. This is the T2. First term T1 we got, T2 got. Similarly we find T3. How to find T3? T2 plus D. That is equal to what is the value of T2? Minus 3 plus D 0 is equal to minus 3. So T3 get minus 3. And lastly find T4. How to find T4? T3 plus D. T4 is equal to T3 is minus 3 plus 0. That is T4 we get minus 3. Minimum you find the 4 terms. Therefore required arithmetic progression is, you can write required arithmetic progression is first term T1 minus 3, second term T2 minus 3, third term minus 3, fourth term minus 3 and so on. You make this dot. This is the required arithmetic progression. Same example here. Here what is A? A means T1. T1 we get minus 7. How to find T2? T2 is equal to T1 plus D. T1 is minus 7 plus D is half. Minus 7 plus half. You take LCM, 2 ones are 2. Minus 14 plus 1. That is we get T2 is equal to minus 14 plus 1. That is minus 13 upon 2. You get the value of T2. Okay. Now you find T3. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. Okay. What is T2? Minus 13 upon 2 plus what is D? 1 upon 2. Here base is same, so you multiply, add this minus 13 plus 1. That is minus 12 upon 2. 2 6 are 12. So we get T3 is equal to minus 6. And lastly you find T4. First you find T1, then second T2, third T3 and fourth T4. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. Minus 6 plus 1 upon 2. Here also you take LCM, 2 ones are 2. Minus 12 plus 1. So we get T4 is equal to minus 11 upon 2. Therefore, required arithmetic progression is, what is the required arithmetic progression becomes? T1 term minus 7, T2 minus 13 upon 2, T3 minus 6, T4 minus 11 upon 2 and so on. This is the required arithmetic progression. Here or you can write here or minus 7. इथं भागाला शकता तुम्ही 2 6 12, 2 5 okay. Then minus 6. Here 2 5 10, 2 5 10 and so on. This or this you write both the answers. Okay. Here in the fraction, here in the decimal. Now students, we will move to next point, that is how to find terms, any term of the given AP. म्हणजे अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन दिला असेल त्यातलं कुठली पण टर्म आपल्याला विचारली. फाइंड 10 टर्म, फाइंड 24th टर्म. फाइंड 17 टर्म. हे कोणत्या फॉर्म्युला काढतोय आपण? यू नो, रिमेंबर द फॉर्म्युला Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 bracket into t. Here a means first term of that AB, d means common difference, n means how many terms are present, and Tn is the last term. So we will see example based on that formula. See, find 19 term of the following AP. Here we have to find 19 term, means T19 we have to find. The given AP is, you write first the given arithmetic progression is 7, 13, 19, 25 and so on. Here what is the A? A means first term 7, and what is the D? A means first term and D is the difference between any two terms. You take first two terms, okay? So we get D is equal to 6. We get the value of A and D. Now we have the formula. We know the formula. What is the formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 bracket into D. We want which term? 19 term, means we want T19. 19 term, okay? So you put here n is equal to 19. What is the value of A? 7 plus n 19. You write here, put n is equal to 19 minus 1 into D value 6. 7 plus, you first solve this bracket, 18 into 6. Now some students here do first addition. No, first you do this operation multiplication, because in the rule first we take multiplication, division and then addition, subtraction. So you first do multiplication. Remember this thing. 18 6 are 108. So answer is 150. So 19 term. What is the 19 term? 19 term of the given AP is 150. Okay? You write here last line. Therefore, 19th term of given AP is 150. Okay, simply. Second one is same. Decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find 20th term of the AP. यामध्ये फक्त एक ॲडिशनल क्वेश्चन काय चालला आहे, डिसाइड करायचं आपल्याला एपी आहे का नाही. मग असा क्वेश्चन आपला आधी झालेला आहे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 मध्ये. फर्स्ट वी सी इट इज एपी और नॉट. ओके, एपी और नॉट. फॉर दैट वी राइट T1. T1 is equal to -2, T2 -5, T3 2, T4 9, T5 16, T6 23 and T7 30. You do all calculation. T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, next T5 minus T4, T6 minus T5, T7 minus T6. जेवढे टर्म दिले तेवढा डिफरन्स आपल्याला काढणं गरजेचं आहे. T2 minus T1 काय बघा, -5 minus -12, माइनस माइनस प्लस 12, 12 वजा 5 किती आहे 7. 13 T3 2 minus -5, माइनस माइनस प्लस 5 plus 2 7. T4 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. T5 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. 23 minus 16 is equal to 7, and 30 minus 23 is equal to 7. Here common difference is same. Here we observe that common difference is constant. Therefore, given sequence is arithmetic progression. First we completed first question, it is arithmetic progression. Now we have the formula. What is the formula? You write Tn is equal to a plus bracket n minus 1 into d. We want 20 term, so put n is equal to 20. So we get T20 is equal to, what is the value of a? Here we had calculated, here right here a is equal to minus 12 plus bracket 20 minus 1 into, what is the value of d? 7 minus 12 plus 90 into 7. You first do multiplication. Minus 12 plus 97 are 133. So we get here T20 is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 2 1 2 1. So we get here T20 as 121. Here you write, therefore 20th term of given arithmetic progression is 120. Okay. See question number 6. Find how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 असणारे numbers आपल्याला काढायचे. Okay, 3-digit numbers. So you write the 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers divisible by 5 are. Which is the first number divisible by 5? 3-digit number. 3 अंकी number कुठला आहे का? 100 पासून स्टार्ट होते आणि n कुठपर्यंत जाणार आहे? 999. मग तो 5 divisible कुठला पहिला नंबर आहे? फर्स्ट नंबर कुठला मिळणार आहे आपल्याला? 100. नेक्स्ट नंबर 5 divisible म्हणजे 5 ऍड करणार आपण 105 110 and so on. लास्ट नंबर कुठला येईल बघा? 999 येईल. 5 divisible नाही. लास्ट नंबर कुठला येईल? 995. So here you write here it is AP. It is an arithmetic progression with, what is the value of a? A is equal to 100 and what is the value of d? Difference is 5. Okay, first you write it is AP and A and D. Now we want how many 3-digit numbers are there. Means we have to find here n and here Tn is last term is 995. We have to find value of n. How many such numbers are there? Means we have to find value of n. अशा इथून इथपर्यंतचे नंबर किती आहेत हे आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. म्हणजे आपल्याला n ची व्हॅल्यू इथं फाइंड करायची आहे. ओके. So we have the formula. We have Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of Tn is given? 995. Tn means last term. Okay. A means here 100 plus n, we want n minus 1 into d value is 5. 995 is equal to 100 plus 5 no multiply करा 5n minus 5. 995 is equal to 100 minus 5. 95 plus 5. We want value of n. Take 95 here. 995 minus 95. That is 5n is equal to 900. Therefore, n is equal to 900. N is equal to 900 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 remains 4. 5 8s are. N is equal to 180. So last line you write, therefore there are 180 numbers which are divisible by 5. You write last line, therefore there are 180 numbers which are divisible by 180 3-digit number, you write here. 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5. Okay. Next one, which term of the AP is -151. आता इथं कुठला नंबर -151 येतोय असं विचारलेलं आहे. So given AP you write first. Given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Here what is the value of A? A is equal to 11 and D is 8 minus 11. It is -3. We get value of A as 11 and value of D as -3. Which term is Chandra? Here Tn is given. Tn is given -151 and we want here N. Okay. So we again write Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Tn value is given -151 is equal to A value 11 plus N we want into D -3. That is -151 is equal to 11 plus -3n minus plus 3. Here you multiply here. -151 is equal to 11 plus -3n plus 3. -151 is equal to -3n as it is. 11 plus 3, 14. Take 3n here. 3n is equal to 14 plus 151. 3n is equal to 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 1. Therefore, n is equal to 165 upon 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. So, we get n is equal to 55. Therefore, you write last answer. Therefore, there are 55 terms in the given AP. Therefore, 55 term of the given AP is -151. In this way, you can calculate. Okay. See students, now I had given here two example activity type. How many terms are found in the following AP? AP दिलेला आहे किती टर्म्स त्यामध्ये फाउंड होतील. किती टर्म्स फाउंड होतील म्हणजे काय करायचं आपल्याला n ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची आहे. Here given A and D is given, Tn is given, last term 49. So what is the formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is 49, A is -11 plus value of n we don't know. We write n minus 1 as it is into D 3. Now here one step is not given. You calculate yourself. Here what is the rough calculation I do here? 49 is equal to -11. 3 ने multiply करा 3n minus 3. So what happens? 3n 49 -11 minus 3 that is -40. So we get here 3n. Value of 3n as 49 plus 40. 9 plus 4 13 4 5 6. So we get here 3n is equal to 63. N is equal to divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So we get n is equal to 21. Activity type question there are asked directly. We asked here 3n. So rough calculation you do side by with the help of pencil and then rough it. Okay. Next say find the 10th term of an AP. If the sum of its third and 8th term is 7 and sum of 7th and 14th term is -3. We have to find 10th term. So what is the given condition first? Sum of third and 8th term means T3D plus T8 is given 7. We have the formula for Tn A plus n minus 1 into D. We use this formula for T3, replace n by 3 and replace n by 8. So what happens here? See, here one step is not given. I here write A plus 2D plus A plus 7D is equal to 7. You can do this step with the help of pencil. So we get A plus A 2A and 2D plus 7D 9D. Okay. Similarly, second condition is given sum of 7th and 14th term is given -3. You put again formula A plus A here 2A, 7 minus 1 here 6D and here becomes 13D. So 13D plus 6D is 19D. We get the two conditions Here we get two conditions, 2a plus 90 is equal to 7 and 2a plus 90d is equal to minus 3. You subtract equation 1 and 2, what happens? 2a get cancelled, 19d minus 90, 10d. We get 10d is equal to minus 10. Okay, so बघा 19d minus 90 काय येणार आहे? 90 minus 9, 10d, and minus 3 minus 7 minus 10. So we get value of d as minus 1. Put this value of d in equation 1. What happens? 2a plus 9 into minus 1, that is minus 9 is equal to 7. 2a minus 9 is equal to 7. So 2a is equal to 7 plus 9, 16. A is equal to 8. We get value of a is 8. And then again use the formula for Tn. Here put the value. Where value of a is 8. A value 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into minus 1. 9 into minus 1 minus 9 plus 8. Minus 9 plus 8. Minus 8 plus 1, 8 means minus 1. So here we get value of T10 as minus 1. Okay. Here in the activity you had given direct step. You can do that step with the help of pencil. Okay. See student, last question, question number 10. Such type of question are asked in question number 5 for 3 marks. अशा टाइपचे क्वेश्चन बघा आपल्या टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये नाही आहेत, पण अशा टाइपचे क्वेश्चन 5 मध्ये जो आपल्या झालेल्या सिलेबसवरच डिपेंड असतो, पण आपल्याला जो कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर झाली असेल तर आपल्याला ते सोडवता येते. बघा आता हे बघितल्यावर तुम्हाला अवघड वाटेल, पण बघा किती सोपं आहे. फॉर अन एपी T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on, if T4 upon T7 is given 2 upon 3, then we have to find T6 upon T8. अशा टाइपचे एक्झाम्पल झाले का आपल्याला नाही, पण बघा काय दिले विचारण्याचं हे दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला. मग त्यासाठी आपण Tn चा फॉर्म्युला लागणार. सो वी हॅव, what is the formula for Tn? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value of n as T4. Therefore T4 is equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Therefore we get T4 is equal to a plus 3. And we want T7. T7 is equal to a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Therefore we get T7 is equal to a plus 60. दिलेलं काय द्यायला आपण T4 आणि T8 काढला, त्याचा रेशो दिला आहे. गिवन दॅट व्हॉट इज गिवन? T4 upon T7 is given 2 upon 3. So we put the value of T4, equation first, equation second. T4 ची व्हॅल्यू काय बघा? a plus 3d आणि T7 ची काय आहे? a plus 60 is equal to 2 upon 3. We write from equation 1 and 2. You cross multiply this. 3 into a, 3a plus 9d is equal to 2a plus 6 2s are 12d. 3a minus 2a is equal to 12d minus 9d. So we get here, sorry, here a is there. Okay. 3a minus 2a, a. A is equal to 12 minus 9, 3d. You call this as equation number 3. We get the value of a as 3d. Now we want T6 upon T8. So you write T6 upon T8 is equal to, here we put a value 6. So what happens? A plus 6 minus 1, 5d upon a plus 7d. Here you put value of a as 3d plus 5d as it is 3d plus 7d. You write from equation 3. Here we put the value of d. T6 upon T8 is equal to 8d upon 7 plus 3, 10d. Here d get cancelled. T6 upon T8 is equal to 8 upon 10. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So last answer is T6 upon T8 is equal to 4 upon 5. In this way we can calculate. If given one ratio, we find the other ratio in this. Okay. So students, in this video we had seen revision of topic 3 arithmetic progression revision video first. In that we had seen how to find arithmetic progression. If the arithmetic progression is given, then we find the common difference and first term. If first term and d is given, we write the arithmetic progression. And we had seen some example based on the formula Tn. Different kinds of questions based on formula Tn we had seen here. So your today's homework is solve all these examples in this video in your notebook. Also try to solve exercise 3.1 and 3.2. Okay, we will stop here. Remaining examples of this topic video revision video we will see in the next video. Thank you.